Good morning! How's everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today I am doing a morning skincare routine. My skin is, I'd say, dry. And I think my skin barrier is damaged. I don't know. I mentioned this before on my channel that 2 years ago I went to the beach and I forgot to put sunscreen and I fell asleep. So my skin, I feel, has been like dry since then, and I've been trying to like heal the skin barrier. So for that, my skin was like super oily. My skin's kind of oily still, but not as much as before. So yeah, if you want to know what my skincare is, then just keep watching this video. So I store my makeup in this bag from Black Bow Swim. Literally, I have this rule, I have one for my makeup too, and I have this rule that if it doesn't fit in the bag, then I can't buy it. And there's like not enough space in the bag, I can't buy it. So for my skincare, whatever fits in this bag fits. And if anything else, I want to buy anything else, but there's no space, then I can't buy it. Just like my makeup, I have an entire bag for my makeup, and if there's no space for it, then I can't buy it. So it helps with saving up your money. So yeah, this is the bag. I have this blue one for my skincare, and then hold on, let me show you my makeup one. I have this green one for my makeup. She's so cute. So usually I just start off by like washing my face with just water. I've been doing this since forever. In the morning I literally just use like hand soap and I'll wash my hands, and then I put whatever water after I'm done washing my hands on my face. Now we fix this. Turn off the noise. How is everybody? How you guys doing? It's been a while since I posted on YouTube. I've just been like really busy because I have school on the weekdays and then work on weekends. So I've been just way too busy. Like, I want to film YouTube videos, but I also kind of ran out of ideas. Like, especially after a Vlogmas, like when I did a Vlogmas, it burnt me out so much doing that. And trying to like post after that was like kind of tired, and I just felt like the content just didn't see me anymore. I want to take a break so I can get back to like actual content that like is meaningful to me, you know? Because even with my editing, I feel like I started getting sloppy with editing too. So first we're gonna go into toner, and this is my favorite toner. I love this. This has Centella in it, which I think is a type of ceramide that helps with like damaged skin. And also, like, I'm getting older, so it also helps with like anti-aging. And it's just from Skin 1004. So I'm just gonna put that couple of drops into my hand, and then we're gonna put that all over my face. I also like putting my like skincare on my hands, because why not? I feel like my morning routine is very simple. You saw this in my nighttime skincare routine, but I also use this during the day. And it's the Aestura, I think that's how you pronounce it, Atobarrier 365. It's just a serum. I use this like night and morning. This is for like hydration. I try to like use products that hydrate my skin, just to help with the dryness, and it's supposed to help heal your skin barrier. So yeah, and again, in the back of my hands. And then we're going in with the moisturizer. This is also from Aestura. This is just the Atobarrier 365 cream. And like, see how like says like for dry and sensitive skin? Because like I have both. I also have sensitive skin. My skin will like react with like everything and anything. Which is why like I don't wear makeup. Like I used to do makeup all the time and I love doing makeup so much. But I noticed that every time I would wear makeup, my skin will like break out. My skin's very sensitive, so I can't really like put makeup on, which kind of sucks because I love doing like eyeshadow looks. I miss doing eyeshadow looks. Like, I don't know, I miss doing makeup looks because honestly it was so much fun. I just like would do it just for fun, like on random days, even when I wasn't going out. And yeah. Alright, so finally, literally this is such a quick makeup skincare routine. Sorry, it's not makeup, skincare routine. And this is just my sunscreen, because sunscreen is literally so important for your skin. Honestly, people say that I look young for my age. Like, I don't say it, other people say it, I promise. And I feel like I would say it's because of sunscreen. I know it's because of genetics. My mom also looks young for her age. It's also because in high school, my favorite moisturizer had SPF in it. And I think that's why it helped, like, not with me aging. So this is the Skin 1004 Hyalu-Cica Water Fit Sun Serum. And this is SPF 50. And it's also meant for hydration and for dry skin. So, yeah. And it's so important for you to wear sunscreen. Like, even like during the winter, we're like, oh, I don't need like sunscreen during the winter. Like, yes, you do. And even like on like overcast days, you know, when it's like, I don't know, like, you know what I mean? Overcast days, you have to like wear sunscreen. Even if you're not going out anywhere and you're just staying at home, you have to like put on sunscreen. So it's very important. Because sunscreen will literally keep your skin like healthy and less damaged. So yeah, I love this. This is my favorite thing. I was using a different one, but I just didn't feel like how it felt drying on my skin. This is, it's so glowy. Like, look how glowy my skin looks. It's so pretty. I love it. And like, I love Korean skincare because my skin breaks out less compared to like Western skincare. Like, I feel like a lot of Western skincare products like break me out. And my skin hasn't breaked out as much since I've started using like Korean skincare beauty. So yeah, that is everything for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos from me. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.
You